Hey guys, so it's me again. I am Lakina, Level Up with Kina. You can also find me with Tax Savvy Refunds Company. I have a plethora of businesses, but that doesn't matter today. Today, I am here to teach you how to get a tax ID, aka an EIN with the IRS, okay? That 9-digit number that every business should have. I'm going to show you the exact steps on how to do it. Actually, going to walk you through me getting one for one of my companies. Okay. So make sure you have your notes ready and make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, Tax Savvy Refunds Company, and share this information with someone who needs it, okay? Because I get this question all the time. I need tax ID. I need an EIN. Don't worry, I'm going to show you right now. So I'm going to get ready to share my screen with you so that you can see exactly how to get an EIN. Let's go. All right, so we're sharing. Boom. There we go. All right. So now we are on the IRS.gov website. You want to keep in mind that the IRS only allows you to apply for an EIN from Monday through Friday from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. and that's on Eastern Standard Time, okay? Once you get to the page, it's going to give you a couple steps on what to do and how to do it when it comes to submitting your application for the IRS. But don't worry, you don't have to read any of those things because I am actually going to walk you through this right now. All right, so we're going to go ahead and click apply online. Now, whenever you are applying for your tax ID or your EIN number, you want to make sure you are near and connected to a printer. Boom, there's one behind me. And well, actually I have a couple around me, but you see the one behind me. And you want to also make sure that you can save it directly to a device so that in case the printer cracks up or acts a fool, you could go ahead and print it, or download it and save it to your computer or a file where you can go back and print it later, because once you pass that last screen, it's gone. All right. It will show you the letter. It will show you the numbers as well, and you can jot those down. I will not show you mine because you don't want to share that information. A tax ID is really, really sensitive, just like it is for your social, your personal social. So just like you wouldn't give your personal social to everyone, you won't give your tax ID to everyone either. Okay. So, boom. We're going to hit OK. Okay, so now the first step is we're going to go ahead and begin the application. All right. Now, my particular business is a corporation, but you see you can choose different ones. And let's go ahead and break that down really, really fast, okay? A sole proprietor is just for you. It's an individual who are in business. So say, for instance, it's your name or just you, okay? You could click sole proprietor. Say for instance, it is a partnership. So you and a couple friends decide to start a business or do a venture. You will click that button. If you are incorporated or you have a corporation like myself, you'll go ahead and click the corporations button. If it's an LLC, you already know that's the limited liability company. You want to click that. If it's an estate that you're registering, you'll go ahead and click that button. And again, if there's trusts, all types of trusts, including conservations, custodianships, guardianships, and irrevocable trusts, revocable trusts, and receiverships, all of them go under trust. All right. So you can see that there are different levels of EINs that you can get for business. It's not just, oh, I started a business, oh, it's an LLC. We'll talk about that in another video. But right now we're going to hit that it's a corporation, all right? So go ahead, hit corporation and hit continue. All right. We have chosen corporation. The way that this corporation is taxed is, of course, it is a corporation. A corporation, it gives you a definition. Corporation is a person or a group of people who establish a legal entity by filing articles of incorporation with the state secretary or of state, granting and certain legal powers, right, privileges, and liabilities. So in the state that I reside in, I incorporated a corporation. So I'm going to click corporation. I'm going ahead and hit continue. All right, it wants me to confirm it. Confirm your selection of corporation as the type of structure applying for an EIN. All right, I already know it's an article of incorporate. So boom, let's go ahead and hit that. Why is the corporation requesting the EIN? Well, we started a new business. All right. But you see, there are other choices. I don't recommend that you choose those choices. Always get it when you start it. Boom. So you don't even have to worry about this, because sometimes it makes you go through, when you click like banking purposes, it may not allow you to continue to get an EIN. It may ask for other documentation. So for now, we just started a business. Boom, continue. All right. Now it's going to ask for the business information. All right. So I'm going to put my name in here. All right. And then I'm not going to show you the screen here. So I'm going to stop sharing, because I'm not going to put in my social and allow you to see it, because it's going to let you see that. All right. So I'm going to stop the share, and I'm going to put my social in. All right. And then it's going to ask if it's not an LLC. Normally it asks you if you are a company that's applying for the EIN on the behalf of the CEO or president, or are you the president yourself? So I'm going to put I am the president and hit continue. All right. Then it's going to ask for the street address. So I'm going to put the business address in. All right. We're going to put the business address in. And now this information is really simple. So you guys should be able to put in that information simply. Let's see. All right. And then hit continue. Boom. All right. So then I'm going to come back and I'm going to let you see this next screen. Okay. So now I put my information in, my address in, I'm authenticated. So it tells you the progress as you're going across the screen at the top. So you see the check mark, my identity has been selected, already completed, authenticated, already completed, address is in there. So now it's asking for additional details. And the details is the business. It wants to know the business name. So now I'm going to go to the state of Michigan's website, and I'm going to pull up my business. And let's see. So we're going to go in here. I'm going to type in my name here and boom. All right, this one right here. So I want to make sure it has the correct information. I'm actually just going to highlight this, copy it, and come back to the EIN page. Now, whenever you're putting your legal name of corporation in, you want to make sure you do not include the LLC the Inc., the Corp, or anything like that. We already know that it is a corporation as the top. So you just put in the name just as you have it registered with your state, okay? It's not a DBA. This is just the name. Now the DBA is when, say for instance, it's a franchise that I'm opening and I'm doing business as McDonald's, but I am the owner of this particular location or these 3 locations, right? So then I will have a different name that I register my business under, but I'll be doing business known worldwide as McDonald's, okay? So that's what a DBA is, all right? It was registered in the county of Wayne, all right? Well, no, the address is Macomb. So Macomb. State territory is Michigan. We're going to click Michigan again because it's incorporated in Michigan. The month and the date, let's go back so I can make sure I got the right date. Let's see. Okay. And then that was August 19th, 2020. All right. So then we're going to go back here and we're going to put August 2020. Okay. Closing month of the accounting year, we're going to put December. All right. And then I'm going to hit continue. Now it asks you for information about what type of business you are doing. This is real estate. So no, I don't have a highway motor vehicle over 55,000 pounds. Does your business involve gambling? No. Does your business need to file Form 720 quarterly? Not right now, all right? You can always go back and change this. Does your business sell or manufacture alcohol, tobacco, or firearms? Of course not. And do you have or do you expect to have employees who will receive a W-2? Well, at this point, not right now. We have contractors. So they get 1099, all right? Not W-2s, all right? So then I'm gonna go ahead and hit continue. All right, and then it says, what does your business or organization do? And it has different lists of, it has a different list of, it's real estate, of different things that you can go into. So we're gonna say real estate, all right? And then hit continue. Okay, you have chosen real estate. Please choose one of the following. I rent and lease property that I own. Okay, and I'm gonna hit continue. Please choose one of the following. I rent residential real estate or commercial real estate. Rent is residential right now. Hit continue. All right, now here's the important part. Pause right here, okay? Don't go clicking. This one right here, you have to stay here and wait. Now you can choose to receive your letter immediately right now online. Remember, this is why we need a printer and we need to have a computer to save it and download it, all right? And you're gonna need Adobe Reader, all right? Or you can have it mailed and it's gonna take some time. But if you want it right now, go ahead and click receive the letter online. I'm going to head and stop sharing because as soon as I hit continue, it's going to give me my number. All right. So I'm going to stop that because that's none of y'all business. All right. And I'm going to go ahead and hit continue. It's going to ask me to verify and make sure everything I put on here is correct. And so far, so good. I'm going to hit submit and boom, here is my tax ID. I can go ahead and print. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to print this screen. And then I'm also going to click here to download my letter. I'm going to save it. All right. And I'm going to print the letter. All right. And then I am done. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to show you what it should look like without you showing the number, okay? So here it is, guys. Can you see it? It's about 3 pages that it submit, but it's telling you the importance of it. This letter is either going to be mailed to you or you can download it immediately. So I have it saved in case I need another, but you want to keep this in a safe file for your records, okay? So I hope this was helpful for you. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Give me some thumbs up. Comment any questions below, and I will see you soon with the next topic. I'm going to go ahead and talk about how each business, corporation, or what it means. All right, what it means to have a sole proprietor, a partnership, a corporation, a LLC, and what is best for you. So check back on the channel for that information, because that is the first step of starting a business. It's getting a name and submitting it and registering it, all right, in the state that you want to do business. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like it, comment any questions, and I'll check back with you. Bye. Tax Savvy Refunds.